Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to contact Instagram customer service. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Instagram on your phone. So now I'm going to open my Instagram. Then I will click on my profile on the bottom right side. Then go and click on the top right side here, these three horizontal lines icon or the hamburger icon. And now what you should do is to simply click on help, then click on report a problem, then go and click on go back and shake phone. And when you actually enable this feature, you'll now go and try to get back to where you can actually find your problem. Just shake your phone and you can report a problem to their support on this case. So simply I can toggle this option down below if I want to do the shaking method to report my problem, or simply toggle this off, then click on report a problem and tell them what you actually face and how you can discuss or explain your own problem. So here, as you can see, I can now tell them exactly what is my problem, then simply click on send, or as I mentioned before, click on report a problem, toggle this on, go and click on go back and shake phone. Then you should now go to any tab or any page that you have your own problem in and simply shake your phone just like so and click on report problem. This menu will also pop out. Click on include and continue and you're all done. You can even upload a photo. Okay, click on upload and upload any photo if you want. You can choose from albums or simply click on photos just right here. You can even take a photo by clicking on screenshot if you want to take a screenshot, or if you want to take a photo just like so. Simply screenshot mode, click on this camera icon. Okay, and if you want to cancel, you can simply click on tap. Just tap on the top right here and you're all done. Once you finish all the explanation of your own problem and once you discuss the whole case, you can simply click on send and they will call you or report you on your email. So make sure to check your inbox frequently. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.